So ang sabi niya dito, nakita nila yan for sure at alam nila nangyari. Di na lang sila kumibo, that's it. As simple as that. This comment was related dun sa video na pinost ko that I ended with a question na yung pagpunta ba ng mga athletes sa Dipakawala Aurora, was it really a team building or a life or death elimination? Now, based sa confirmation ng PNP-CIDG at ng Senate Committee on Basic Education, na yung team building kuno na ginawa sa Aurora was explicitly tied to finalizing the 17 players for the upcoming UAAP tournament. Ibig sabihin, out of 20 athletes na andun, 3 yung hindi masasama sa gagawing UAAP tournament. Knowing Rene Baterbonia, who came from the province, who only brought with him the passion, dedication, the hard work, determination of bringing his family outside of poverty, natural gagawin niya lahat. Kahit ano pang ipagawa sa kanya, kahit ano pa mang maging trato sa kanya, because probably what he only had in mind during that time, by simply being there, is already his greatest opportunity. Now, going back to this comment na nangyari na yung trahedya, whether alam nila, di lang sila kumibo, well, the thing is, they are well aware. There are interviews from some of the athletes saying that Rene is already struggling for help.
Rene was beside me and parang I felt I could have done more para di siya malunod.
Humingi ako ng tulong, nakita ko si Rene sa likod. First, gumagal siya, tapos sumisigaw siya ng tulong. Tapos sinabi ako, tumalong ka lang. Tapos nung kumulit ako ng puwelo, pag-angat ko, hindi ko na nakita si Rene.
So based nga sa statement na sinasabi ng ibang mga athletes sa video, alam nila na humihingi ng tulong si Rene. Yung isa, sabi niya nga, katabi niya pa nga daw si Rene. Now I want you guys to see this interview.
Nag-interview rin po ako dun sa mga kasamahan po nila kasi wala po kami kaalam-alam dun sa identity po nung nalunod. And then po, ang sinabi po nila sa amin ay wala pong damit. And then ang kulay po nung body po niya ay black. Yun po yung sinasabi po nila. So ngayon po, di naman po nasabi sa amin na dalawa po pala yung nalunod. Ang sinasabi lang po sa amin ay yung parang Nigerian, sir. Kasi yun po yung sinabi nilang yung black po ang katawan.
Kailan nyo lang na-find out na dalawa pa?
Nung nakuha na po namin si Butterbonia, sir, may bumulong po sa akin na may isa pa daw po na kwan. Saka ko po sinabi ulit dun sa kasamahan ko po na meron pang isa. So bumalik po ulit siya dun sa tubig. Yun po, nagsigawan na po sila na there's more, sabi po nila. Parang hindi rin po nila alam na may isa pa po. Kasi kung sinabi po nila na dalawa, alam po namin na dalawa. Kasi isa lang po yung sinasabi yung Nigerian. Yun lang po yung na-identify sa akin.
Ilan yung nalunod daw talaga na nadala? 3 o 2 lang?
Dalawa lang po, sir. Dalawa lang po.
Now, based nga dyan sa video na sinabi ng babaeng responder na nagpatigil ng CPR kay Rene Baterbonia, ang sabi niya nung dumating siya sa location, interview siya sa mga kasamahan ni Rene na nandun, identify the person who is missing kasi nga wala daw silang alam kung sino. Sabi nga daw nila sa description na binigay nila, it was just a black guy na walang damit, which pertains to Adelia as per the responder. Which later on, nalaman lang daw nila na dalawa pala yung nawawala o nalulunod kung may bumulong na isa sa mga responders. And take note of the term, bumulong. And what's one thing that really questions me more, kasi if you will go back to the previous video with the interviews of some of the athletes, diba sabi nila, alam nga nila na nalulunod si Rene and Rene was already asking for help. Pero bakit pagdating ng mga responder, they only gave the identity of Divine Adile? What was the exact reason behind that? Kasi sabihin natin, if you almost drown, tapos nakapunta ka na sa shore, and alam mo sa sarili mo that there was someone behind you humihingi ng tulong, of course, ang una mong gagawin, you will inform everybody, especially to the responders, that there's still someone out there humihingi pa ng tulong. And out of more than 20 people na adults, wala man lang nakapagsabi agad sa mga responders na dalawa pala yung nawawala o nalulunod. Or baka naman, di lang talaga kayo kumibo kahit alam nyo na yun nangyayari simply because of your personal interest. Kasi nga, di ba, it was not just a simple team building. It was like some sort of an elimination activity where almost all others are already companions. While Rene Baterbonia was just someone who is a bagong salta. Guys, please make it make sense. Yun lamang po. Bye-bye!